Alright, welcome to this very short but important CAC business registration video. Like I used to say, I do record short videos like this, especially to students in my CAC business masterclass, where I teach students how to use CAC business registration to make money and do business from there, even if they are not accredited agent. Just in case you are interested in joining that class, it's 10,000 naira that you're going to pay forever, and then every problem that you have with your CAC registration, especially if you're doing it for other people are making money from it, I think you should join my class. The link to that class will be in the video description. If you're interested, you can join us. So I've gotten these questions from people telling me, okay, I don't know how to download my CAC certificate and other documents. How do I do that? Of course, that's very important, but we are not going to take anything for granted, because it's only simple for those of us that have been doing CAC registration for a while. For those that are just doing it for the first time, it might be a little bit confusing. So I'm going to show you how to do that very shortly in this video. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to the home page of this pre-CAC registration portal. So once you are here, you want to log in, of course. Okay, so I'll be signing in with all my clients' email address and then my password, and then I'm going to log in. Okay, so as you can see here, this particular CAC registration is already successful. As you can see that we have a registered box here. Okay, so sometimes it is possible that CAC has already approved your registration, and this thing could still be showing 0 while your query box could still be showing 1. Okay, but most times you're going to get an email from them. Okay, so even after you've gotten the email and you log in to download your certificate, and you notice that query is still 1, or pending approval is still there while registration is still 0. So far you've received an email from CAC. Just go ahead and click the registered box. You should be able to download your certificate. And sometimes also maybe you have waited for too long. If you ask me how long now, I don't know, but if you have waited for so long and your registration status has not been successful, you can also click on the registered box, even if it's still showing 0. Sometimes the changes have been effected, your registration has been approved, but then on your portal it could still be showing that it's not yet approved. So you just want to check it up as a backup. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so you can see here they said kindly know that you are allowed to download your document or certificate within 7 days interval of registration. So what happens is that if you have been registered and after 7 days you have not downloaded your certificate and other documents, you are going to be charged. So make sure that you do what I told you earlier on, even if you notice that the registration box has not yet been shown to be 1. Just click on it so that you can be sure. Okay, so you can see here that this is where I am supposed to download my document. So I'm just going to click on download document. Okay, so here they are telling me view payment history. I don't necessarily need to do that. Now we are seeing 2 particular documents here because this is a business name registration. If it's a company registration, you're going to see 3 of them. So here you can see the status report. It comes for both business name and company. Certificate comes for both business name and company, but this is where it ends for business name. If you're a company, you are supposed to see a 3rd document, which is called the MEMAT, and the full meaning of MEMAT is Memorandum and Article of Association, MEMAT. Okay, so these are the things you're going to see. So what I'm going to do right now is simple. You just want to go ahead and click the download button. Okay, so you can see here that the registration status report is downloaded already, and then this is the certificate. Again, I'm going to click on download. So as you can see, the certificate has been downloaded. So it's that simple. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on close. Okay, so once I'm done with that, of course, the next thing I want to do is just to go ahead and print out my certificate, and it's that simple. So this is how to download your certificate after you are done registering your business and it has been approved by the Corporate Affairs Commission. Meanwhile, like I said, if you want to join my masterclass where I teach people how to make money I mean, between 10,000 and 120,000, charging customers, on business name registrations of different sorts and helping people fix issues and making money from it. Then you can join my private class. You will see the link to that class in the video description below this very video. And also, if you don't want to do that, if you want to just watch any of my videos, my free videos on YouTube, of course, I will also leave a link to the playlist of my CAC registration for free. You can check it out also under this video in the video description. Please like this video and help me share it on your social media handle, because I know this is a time that people will really need this kind of information, and I will appreciate it for that. And of course, if you want to see more videos on digital marketing, AI automation, and how to make money online, just like the ones you are seeing now, and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so right now and turn on the alert bell so YouTube can notify you when I release my next videos. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in the next one.